Alright, let's find it.
It looks like a red shirt.
A red shirt.
Over
You
there.
know you got stuff on the bottom, right?
But
Just saying.
these are none of these are like like I don't know. I don't know what it is or.
Your t-shirt. Remember you kissed me first. Yeah.
Not shirts and that's why it's over there. Over
Over
sorry.
where?
Over there.
Over where?
Over there in that one.
Then pull it over here. It's that simple. I can't deal with this kid.
This is my mom's or hers.
Let me see it. This is hers. Well, you better find something quick.
I think these are mine, right?
Kyrie. Are these panties? I don't know. Yeah. Blech.
Look like we're panties.
Alright, let's go find something. Find something. I don't got all day.
Ooh, what are these?
Oh, God. What is what? That was my shirt. How you put this in here?
It's mine now. You don't wear it no more.
Hey, let me see it.
You don't fit it no more. You too big.
This is my freaking Nike shirt. And now it's freaking small. And now it's given to him. Lord, I can't.
What is this?
Kyrie, this is freaking underwear.
I don't know where my clothes at, because she had them.
Kyrie, there's literally clothes right there. How do you not
No,
see
my
that?
red t-shirt, my red one.
What?
My red t-shirt. No, remember what I had last time? My red t-shirt.
It's gonna be all day with you, ain't it? All day with you. I can't believe you're watching. Who is this on the TV?
No one.
Yeah, it's someone. Who is it?
It's Steven Sushi, my girlfriend.
That's a whole
Ooh,
man.
I can wear this.
Let me see it.
I got that from who I went to Big.
I guess. Lord. What the heck is this?
That's mine.
Mine's again. That used to be mine. Stealing my stuff again. I knew you had some stuff in mine. Knew you was taking stuff out of my room. I'm about to go to sleep right now because you're taking freaking forever.
Wear this.
Weird what?
This, my, look. You know what this is?
I don't know what is. I'm about to end
No,
this.
look, you see?
Oh, Lord.
Fix this for me.
Fix what?
The shirt.
You know how to fix it.
Please.
It's fixed.
It's not.
Yes, it is. It's fixed. It's fixed to me. It was definitely fixed. Looks like freaking underwear.
No, it's not underwear. It's my tank top. Okay, with the under my arms.
I can't.